Heyo, Chris Barron here. Thanks for switching over to Mode Go. We're driving Formula V's Limerock Classic. Got a lot of races I'm looking forward to this week. This is one of them. We are the number 4 car. Sorry I had that pulled up. Qualified 5th. Uh-oh, but everyone's pretty close. Draft will be a thing. Could be a good race. Could not. About to find out.
The estimated SOF is 1,430.
There's Henry getting in his bed. Oh, it's time to go. Alright.
Opportunity.
Come on.
Green.
Bad start. That guy got a good start. Oh, he blocked that guy off too. That's funny.
Left side. Clear on the left.
Cold tires, guys. Cold tires.
Car on your left.
Oh, no. Oh!
You're in the middle. 3 wide. There's an incident ahead. You've got wheel damage. The car behind has gone off.
Oh, I've got bad wheel damage.
You've got some damage. Let's get that fixed.
What are you fucking doing, mate?
I don't know how you can get mad at anyone. I don't know how you can get mad at anyone there, right there. I mean, dude spun out. He did cut across the course. He might not have been able to help that, you know?
Left side. Clear on the left. Pit boxing 10. 5,
I mean, look at my wheel.
3, 2, 1. Right here.
Hold your brakes, idiot.
Well, this race is gonna kind of suck. We'll see how many spots we can get back, if any. Hopefully it doesn't take too long and I go down a lap. Though they will have drafts, so they'll all be quicker than me. Here they come. Is that first place right there? Yes, it is.
Okay, punch it. Left side. Still there, hold your line.
Probably gonna get mad at me.
Still there, hold your line. Clear. Left side. Still there, hold your line.
What a dick.
Still there, hold your line. The car in C2, just set the fastest lap. 1.148.
Yep.
Keep to the right.
What a prick. What a prick.
We can't fix the damage. I'm afraid it's over.
Man! This button.
Good job, mate.
Yeah, I can't believe he wants to blame
Excellent
me.
I will report you, mate.
Is that who it is? No, that was Owen. Yeah, we can go back and watch this whole thing. Here we go. I've got speed on him. Pull out. He says, let me push this guy over as far as I can. I mean, I gotta fight back a little bit. Going into the hottest turn. Yeah. I mean, I did move over on him. He didn't give me any space. But, hey, what are you gonna do? Anyways. Thanks for watching. I'm not gonna ask you to like and subscribe for this one. It wasn't great.